Understanding nut and bolt in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, nut and bolt. This phrase is often used in both a literal and figurative sense, and understanding it can help you grasp the nuances of the English language. Let's get started. A nut is a small, hexagonal piece of metal with a hole in the center, while a bolt is a cylindrical piece of metal with threading along the outside and a head to hold it in place. Together, they are used to fasten materials by passing the bolt through them and screwing on the nut to hold everything securely. This pairing is essential in construction and machinery. Figuratively speaking, nut and bolt can refer to the basic and essential parts of something. For instance, when we talk about understanding the nuts and bolts of a concept, we mean understanding the most fundamental parts of that concept. It's like looking at the inner workings or the foundational pieces that hold an idea or process together. You'll often hear nut and bolt in various contexts. For example, let's get down to the nuts and bolts of the project. This means focusing on the critical and basic aspects of the project. I know the nuts and bolts of grammar. Here, it implies a thorough understanding of grammar basics. And that wraps up our explanation of nut and bolt. Remember, whether you're dealing with the physical items in a toolbox or the foundational elements of a new concept, nut and bolt is all about the essentials. We hope this video has helped tighten your understanding of this phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of English idioms and expressions in no time.